Greetings and shalom, friends. We're delighted to come to you again here from our Jacob's Hope International offices in Springfield, Missouri. And my name is Brent Johnson. I serve as the director of Jacob's Hope. And with me today, I'm just overjoyed and delighted to host Superintendent Ayansa, who is the National Superintendent of the Ethiopian Assemblies of God. And we're just blessed to be able to have him join us here in our offices here in the United States in Springfield, Missouri. And so I want to just let him share with you about what's taking place in Ethiopia, and then I'll come back with another question for our brother real quickly. Superintendent Ayansa, God bless you. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, Pastor Brandt. I'm just very happy to be here. I'm here to visit Jacob's Hope, and I'm very happy to get the chance to be here. And because I know Pastor Brandt in Ethiopia, they come there and they open our eyes for Jewish people, because we are the second largest population next to Nigeria in Africa. We have many Jewish people there, and we are also Ethiopia Assembly of God. We have a great passion to reach all Ethiopians in our generation.
Yes.
So I'm very happy to be here. I know you there, and I'm very happy there are many ministers are just on training and to reach the Jewish people there. This is such a great blessing, and it touched my heart.
Amen. Superintendent, share with us what is happening over the last several years in Ethiopia under your leadership of the Ethiopian Assemblies of God, just the phenomenal growth that's taking place.
Yeah, in Ethiopia, in 2020, we just drafted a strategic plan for 5 years, and we use as a motto, great focus on great commission. So in this, we are just focusing on great commission. So we invest our time, our money, many things, our force on focusing on reaching on great commission. So now, according to that plan, we have a plan to plant 2,000 churches in Ethiopia. And when we start this work, God helped us a lot. And now the church we have is just that we did in these 3 years is just doubling of that we did in 23 years.
Amen.
So God is really helping us.
It's phenomenal, the exponential growth of going from 340 churches to 700 churches. 703 is the report today. And so we are just excited to partner with Ethiopian Assemblies of God and our General Superintendent Ayansa in this effort. So tell us how Jacob's Hope has helped you in this effort, and how we have best served you in this hour, in this time.
Yeah. And since we want to reach Ethiopia, all of Ethiopia, so we must plan for Jewish people in order to reach all the people. So
Amen.
Pastor Brandt came to my office, and he is just start talking about how to reach Jewish people, as we have to focus on Jewish people. So that vision inspired us.
Amen.
And now Jewish people is in our heart. It is very biblical. I just visited the students, the ministers that Pastor Brandt is giving the training there. So it is such an inspiring, and God just really sent Jacob's Hope to Ethiopia in order to just reach these all people. We have many Jewish people in Ethiopia, it's known.
Yes.
So it is God just open our eye on these our brothers through Jacob's Hope. Yeah.
Thank you, Superintendent
Yeah.
Ayansa. It's a joy
Yeah.
to partner with you and to serve with you and with EAG. And friends, we're so grateful that we have the honor and privilege to partner with such choice servants, and the choice servant of Superintendent Ayansa and other Assembly of God global workers in Ethiopia to bring hope to the Jewish people. Please partner with us. Please pray for Ethiopia and the exponential growth to continue, and for Jewish people to come to faith in their Jewish Messiah, Jesus, the Messiah, Yeshua HaMashiach.
Yeah. Thank you all for your prayer, for your support, for your just being with us in reaching this Ethiopian Jewish people. May God bless you abundantly. We are really happy for this partnership. Thank you.